Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Science TV. You feel me? We back at it again with another video. Not only is this just a POV, this is a Thanksgiving POV. So I want to tell y'all niggas, happy Thanksgiving, you feel me? Make sure y'all boys spend as much time with y'all family today, you feel me? I know some of y'all niggas, after y'all get done eating or while y'all eating, y'all gonna want some shit to watch, you feel me? So I got y'all boys some little content, you feel me? Car pulling hard, I ain't gonna lie. It is cold as hell outside today. This shit crazy. Like, I'm not even finna be outside, I don't think. Like, I'm finna be in somebody's house under some heat on my mama. Look at them boys, they in a four-wheeler. That shit look fun. Let me know how the car sounding. That bitch screaming on everything. I also put my back seats back in, y'all. The reason why I had took my back seats out was because I was tired of niggas asking me for rides. You feel me? So I took my back seats out. They've been out for about 6 months, but I just decided to put them boys back in. No doubt. Y'all can see we're in sport mode with the traction control off. Hopefully y'all niggas can see, because I don't know. Because y'all niggas is on top of my head. And we ain't finna wait on them cars, you feel me? We got places to be. And I got too much oh shit, I got too much horsepower to be waiting. No doubt. Also, y'all go check out last video, which was like a little vlog, POV style type of video, you feel me? Your boy had a semi blowout while I was driving on the freeway yesterday, headed to the tire shop. You feel me? So go check that video out. That is a really good video. It's funny, and you know, I feel like it's something that y'all boy like. So go run that video too as well. You feel me? Let's try to get this video up to 100 likes. I know y'all niggas can do it. You feel me? I'm trying to get me a little 360 camera for Black Friday to put on the back of the car, so I can give y'all boys some more different type of, you know, content that's gonna add to the channel, you feel me? It's time to invest back into the channel, no doubt. So if y'all think that'll be a good purchase or idea, make sure y'all go down in the comments and just say some shit. I don't care what y'all say. Just let me know if y'all think I should get one. No cap. Now let's see. Gotta make way for that Samo. Damn, them niggas in that minivan are scared the fuck out of me. I thought they were finna ram into my. I ain't gonna lie, one thing I don't like when I be getting tires, bro, they do not balance my tires right, or they don't balance them hoes at all. Because when I be getting to like high speeds, bro, my trunk always shake, bro. It never fails. I don't know what them niggas be doing. Ooh, that baby pulling hard. Okay. We also gonna be having like a little legal pit this weekend, y'all. So I need y'all help. I want y'all to tell me exactly what type of video, like how y'all want me to make the pit video. Do y'all want me to do like a video of me like at the pit sliding, getting other people's cars, like sliding in the car with them, or do y'all want me to just film other people sliding and stuff and like crazy shit that's happening? That boy in that scat motherfucker. I'll dust his ass. Hold on. Let me catch his ass lacking. I'm gonna show his ass what this Hellcat do. Oh, he going to that gas station, I think. I ain't gonna be able to catch his ass. God damn. He live another day. Now what the fuck is these fuck niggas doing? Damn. Alright, we good. Do not pull that ass out. Fuck, nigga. He finna get his ass goddamn deep fried out there hole. Nigga must have just ate food and shit. Nigga senses tingling and shit. Nah, nigga. Watch the motherfucking road. You hear that supercharger coming down the street. Little head ass nigga. I wasn't gonna hit his ass though. Feel we got big Brumbos on that bitch. You should have seen it when that deer ran across the road. Nigga almost goddamn head butted the steering wheel with these brakes. That bitch stopped on a dot, no cap. Let me slow down going over the hill. There might be a goddamn roadblock ahead of my ass. But that car sounded so good, bro. You never get tired of it, bro. That time me to slow down right here. I seen the police camping out one night around that bitch. Alright, we good. Why they got that car so close to the road? See, I know somebody came around the corner and tapped their shit and just kept going. Cause they car is parked on the street, bro. And some niggas be driving around that bitch drunker than a skunk. Nigga sideswipe the hell out their car. They probably did that shit on purpose to do an insurance claim. I know how niggas in the hood think, bro. On everything. Underpass downshift. Another one. What that is? No, that ain't no scat. That's just a V6 with scat wheels on that bitch, I think. I'll put that bitch in custom mode. I like riding in custom mode because like my shit shifted weird. I don't know. Wait, oh, I know why I did that. My battery had died and it resetted my settings. That makes sense. I was gonna say that bitch shifted weird as hell. I thought my transmission was gonna go out. That shit was in street. Well, I can't do what I was finna do no more. Let's see if I get a little pull for y'all niggas over here. Let's see. I couldn't do what I was trying to do. I ain't have enough room. I know these niggas better get out the way. Make sure ain't no police behind me, goddamn. You know, on Thanksgiving, them niggas be giving tickets out like a motherfucker. No cap. I don't be smelling that exhaust smell. You ain't smelled it yet, have it? I think that because my seats was out the car and the exhaust fumes be coming through the chassis. I think I said that shit right. Beating up the road today on this lovely Thanksgiving. I really don't even know what I even got planned today. I'm really on some low-key stuff. You feel me? I don't got on no clothes for real. I just got on some bum shit as usual. I like dressing like a. I ain't gonna lie. I don't even be having time to dress up no more, bro. I ain't dressed up in so long, bro. Like, I don't know. I started to feel. I don't know. I don't really go nowhere for real though. I just be outside like with the car community people and stuff. The boy got that wide body scat over there. I don't know if y'all see that bit. That bit look clean. Still dusty there though. I remember that first scat pack charge I was supposed to get. Nigga told me I needed a cosign. Nigga didn't even check my credit. You can't assume a nigga credit score, twin. I was already working on my shit early. Boy got that bike. I know that nigga cold as fuck. That boy got on slip resistant Crocs. Hell no. I guess that make his ass grip up if he have to brake. The hell? A slow ass bike. He riding that bitch like he a daredevil. I'm weak as hell. From this angle, I thought that nigga finna get hit by that motherfucking truck. I'ma say, Lord have mercy. I need to be checking my brakes. They might be getting low. I don't know though. I ain't seen not one police out today, y'all. I think their ass went to go goddamn. They may be with their folks for a little minute. They probably gave their ass a little break. But nah, I seen a fire truck, so the police got to be out. I don't know though.